Have you ever stopped to think about how your cell phone actually works? I mean, we use them every day without giving it a second thought, but there's actually a lot of complex technology going on behind the scenes to make it all happen. Let's start with the basics. Your cell phone is essentially a mini computer that fits in the palm of your hand. It's made up of several key components that work together to allow you to make calls, send messages, browse the internet, and so much more. At the heart of your cell phone is the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. This is the brain of the device, responsible for carrying out all the instructions that make your phone function. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the different parts to work together seamlessly. Next, we have the memory. Your cell phone has two types of memory, RAM and storage. RAM is like short-term memory, storing data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Storage, on the other hand, is like long-term memory, holding all your photos, videos, apps, and more. Of course, your cell phone wouldn't be much use without a way to interact with it. That's where the screen comes in. Most modern cell phones use touch screens, which allow you to tap, swipe, and pinch to navigate through apps and menus. The screen is made up of thousands of tiny pixels that light up to display images and text. But how does your cell phone actually connect to the outside world? That's where the antenna comes in. Your cell phone has a built-in antenna that allows it to communicate with cell towers, which in turn connect you to the wider network. This is how you can make calls, send messages, and access the internet, no matter where you are. Speaking of the internet, let's talk about how your cell phone actually accesses it. Your phone is equipped with a modem, which is a device that converts digital data into a form that can be transmitted over a network. When you connect to Wi-Fi or use mobile data, the modem is working behind the scenes to make it all happen. Of course, all this technology needs power to run. That's where the battery comes in. Your cell phone is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which stores energy that can be used to keep your phone running throughout the day. When you plug your phone into charge, the battery is replenished so you can keep using it. But how does your cell phone actually make calls? When you dial a number, your phone sends a signal to the nearest cell tower, which then connects you to the person you're calling. This signal is transmitted using radio waves, which are a type of electromagnetic radiation that can travel through the air. And what about sending messages? When you send a text, your phone converts the message into a series of digital data packets, which are then sent over the network to the recipient's phone. This process happens almost instantaneously, allowing you to communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world. But perhaps the most impressive feature of your cell phone is its ability to access the internet. When you open a web browser or use an app, your phone sends a request to a server, which then sends back the information you're looking for. This process happens in a matter of seconds, thanks to the high-speed connections provided by cell towers and Wi-Fi networks. So, the next time you pick up your cell phone, take a moment to appreciate all the technology that's packed into that tiny device. From the CPU to the antenna, the screen to the battery, your phone is a marvel of modern engineering that allows you to stay connected, informed, and entertained wherever you go. And now that you know how it all works, you can use your cell phone with a newfound appreciation for the incredible technology that makes it all possible.